We are glad to take part in the eminent AMRUT competition. We are the team of 3 members, including 2 teaching staff, Arpita K and Pallavi NR, and a student Nemadi HK from the Department of CSE, BGSIT, Adi Chinchanagiri University. On this event, we are preparing millet sweet pongal, and the ingredients required are foxtail millet, half cup of moong dal, a glass of milk, jaggery, ghee, grated coconut, elachi essence, cashew nuts and raisins. Now let's see how to prepare. Take the mixture of foxtail millet and moong dal in the pressure cooker. Then add 2 glasses of water, and it can be cooked in a pressure cooker for 2 whistles. Now the mixture is ready. Take a glass of milk in a pan and add jaggery. Stir the mixture till jaggery melts thoroughly. Then add the cooked mixture of millet and moong dal into the pan. Leave it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep on stirring in between. Then add 2 tablespoons of ghee for the good taste. Stir well. And elachi essence for the good flavor. Then add the grated coconut. In a small pan, season the cashew nut and raisins. Finally, add it to the prepared recipe. Now, the yummy millet sweet pongal is ready to serve. Thank you.